My name is Michael O'Neill. I'm a portfolio manager with the large cap team here at IML. I always loved investing. My first career was in advisory role as a consulting actuary, but I always felt like I wanted to get closer to the action. I wanted to follow great management teams, great companies. I wanted to go on the journey with them as an owner in the company. But I also wanted to be there to hold them to account in executing on their strategy and deploying capital rather than taking more backseat advisory role. My first investment was a biotech company. I was a bit lucky. They had some good retractable syringe technology, perfect for surgeon safety, but that little bit of luck meant a bit of false confidence. My biotech picks that followed weren't so good. I guess I learned a few lessons there. Firstly, I don't really have an edge in picking biotechs, and secondly, I was probably trading more than I was investing. I love the markets because they're so dynamic. You think you know everything, but everything's always changing. There's external influences and forces, macroeconomic conditions, all these things to take into account. But really when it comes down to it, as an investor, you've got to look through the noise. You've got to focus on what you do well, get your fundamentals right, keep a check on your own behavioural biases, and also keep an eye to what the market's thinking, because human behaviour is as much what drives share prices in the short term as fundamentals. I think a famous quote from Benjamin Graham, in the short term the market is a voting mechanism, in the long term it's a weighing machine. For me, IML is quite a unique firm here in Australia because it's a very defensive firm that not only focuses on value, but also on quality. So it's really targeted at the sort of investments you'd love to see your mum and dad make. The sort of investments that retirees can rely on through the cycle. Anyone can chase the new theme in the market, participate in a bit of short-term growth, but we're playing the long game.